guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm laughing because I've been recording like 15,000 of these. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel of the Local Lifestyle, and this is a channel where you can expect anything DIY and home decor. I'm currently in the process of redecorating my own space, and I thought I would take you guys on a journey in terms of how I decorate my space so that maybe you can get inspiration and hopefully do the same for yours. And everything that I'm going to be doing to my space is nothing permanent, because obviously it's not my home, it's not my house, I don't own it. So I have to make sure that whatever it is that I do, I'm able to kind of remove or take with me whenever I leave. I did have a conversation with my landlord, and she was pretty much okay with everything that I said I'm gonna do. The space is not that big, as I've mentioned, so I'm trying to create like a very cozy, sort of warm atmosphere. And I think before I've always kind of just like bought things without thinking or without intention, and I'm trying to make sure that I like cut some costs, and you know, like affordability is like a very important factor in this, because I don't want to spend too much money doing this. So for today I've got a Pep home haul, and the theme, or rather the style of my home in terms of what I've decided, is like a boho chic type of style, which basically encompasses a lot of like beiges, browns, whites, a little bit of black, not rusty, like a rusty color, like a deep orange type of color, mustards, those sort of like earth tones type of colors. Sorry, let me sit still. So that's kind of like the look and feel that I'm going for. So I went to Pep Home and I picked up some stuff, and I thought I'd basically show you guys in terms of what I've got, and I'll show you guys the prices as well. And then if you like anything, you can more than welcome to go and buy it. So first things first, I got this cushion. It's like a light gray color with like a little bit of white, a little bit of beige. It's got a bit of a stain on it, but I was like, got a bit of a stain here, but I was like, guys, it's fine, I actually like it, and there's only one left. And I think this was 25 rand. Yeah. And then I got this cushion cover. See, again, keeping in mind my colors for my kind of space, the colors that I'm going for. So this is like a beigey oatmeal type color, and it's sort of got like this nice sort of like rope texture about it. This was like $39.99. I really love this. And like, see at the back, it's got like a linen also type fabric or material. And then I got the sewing kit. Can't DIY and not have a sewing kit. This was very random. It was like, I just like saw it and I was like, oh, I need this. Which is $19.99. And then I got these placemats. I actually wanted placemats that have like sort of like this basket texture, but I couldn't find any. So if you do find any place, guys, like, please do like drop me a comment below and let me know where I can find them, because I've been looking for like this basket type placemats where like the whole thing is like a basket material fabric. But I wasn't too mad at this one because I just like love this black and white. And I got 2 of these. And then I also got cushion cover, which is like also like a linen type fabric. I don't know if you guys can hear me if I put this thing in front of me. It's like a very like light pink, almost like a chambray type fabric, if you pronounce it like that, chambray or chambray, like a very denim-y, like denim fabric in like a light pink or blush pink and white. And then also got this cushion cover as well. I got 2 of these. You can see the detail on there. I don't know if you can. And this one was $54.99. And then I got this rug. This rug I'm also not going to use as an actual, like for its purpose, like a rug. I'm going to actually use this for like a DIY project. I thought it was like a beigey color, but actually now I see that it's like a more light pinky color. I'm trying to make sure that I don't buy too much of like a blush pink, otherwise I'm going to end up having like a whole blush pink house. So I thought this was like a beigey color, but I'm actually not mad about it as well, because the idea that I do have for it, which is like a DIY project, so watch the space for this. And then I also got the same type of rug, but in a different color. It actually shows quite nicely on camera. It's more orangey on the camera, but it's actually, in real life, it's more sort of like a deep orange or like a rusty color. Yeah, with like some nice tassels on the bottom. And then I also got this big rug, which is obviously like a mustard, a brown, a white, and this was $179.99. And as you guys can see already with the color theme, it's like very like sort of like I said, beiges, browns, rust, blush pinks, grays, like that natural earthy tones type colors. Then I also got these wooden spoons, and these were $24.99. I'm not quite wild about the light wood colors. I think I might actually get like a wood stain and just like darken these a little bit, because I don't think I like the sort of yellowy wooden color. And then I got these as well. This is $14.99 for one, and the set was $24.99. This one. And I got another one, which is obviously quite similar, just a different shape. This was also $14.99. Then I got a spirit level. Just for any sort of, because I'm thinking of hanging a lot of frames and that kind of things and creating like a gallery wall. So I'm gonna need this to make sure that all my items are like positioned straight and in the right way. That's what the spirit level is for. This was very cheap. It was $19.99, and I've seen like a Builder's Warehouse will be like so many for like 80 rand, 100 rand, 60 rand. I don't really know the price difference. Like, does it affect how well it's gonna work? I don't know, but we're gonna see when I actually use it. It shouldn't though, but we'll see. Then I got this weird, I think it's a placemat. I think so, I don't know. It's got, I just like the texture. The snake skin type texture. So I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I think it'll also be one of these DIY products, but I just bought it because I like it. And then I got these stovetops, which I don't have a stove. Well, like your traditional like 4-stove plate thing. I've got like this induction cooker situation thing, which works for my space because it's quite small. So I was like, I opted for that rather instead of getting like a big stove, because my rental didn't come with a stove, which I was okay with that, so I didn't mind. This type tiling or material is called like a terrazzo, like T-E-R-A-Z-Z-O or T-E-R-R-A-Z-Z-O, don't know. But like, it's basically like your marbles, your granites, that type of thing, like that kind of like print. And I got, there was 4 in a pack. So 2 small ones like this, and then 2 big ones. I don't know what I did with the price tag, but they were like, I think they were about 40 rand. Then I got this, which is a cutlery holder. It's like a copper color, but I'm not actually going to use this again. I feel like everything I bought, I'm not actually going to use it for what it's intended for. I'm rather going to recreate it and use it for something else. So I'm going to use this for something else. Like, you'll see, like, you obviously just subscribe to the channel, girl. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that next time I post a video, you know, so you are able to see what it is that I do with these things. So I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out, because it's going to be so much fun. At least I'm going to be having the fun, but it's going to be nice for you to watch too. And also maybe you also want to go to Paper Home and actually buy these things and then actually do the same DIYs that I'm doing. Okay, and then I got this mug. I got 4 of them. But like, how nice, I don't know if you can see the detail of this. Like, I love the stone type, ceramic inspired type. I really love these mugs. And I got 4 of them. So there's 3 in the cupboard now, and this is the 4th one. And then I got, what did I do with that mug? Then I got this, how gorgeous is this bowl? I got 4 of these as well. Like, how divine, how gorgeous. Obsessed. I literally went straight for these when I walked into the door. And this was $24.99 and they're each, so I got 4 of these. Then I got, sorry, that was quite disgusting, but I don't know, the paper, they wrapped it in, I kind of like stained it a little bit, but this is like a sort of like a dinner plate, that I got, but I only got one. I'm thinking I'm gonna go back and actually get like another 4, because I really took this one because I wanted to use it as like a decor / display tray. Just imagine this on a coffee table with like some nice little trinkets, like maybe like, I don't know, some cute little things that we can put on top. I'm gonna see if this thing will come off if I wash it, but I think there's like something called magic something at Builders. Like if I get it and I find it, I'll show you guys. It like apparently cleans any and everything. And then I got these, which I think are like the same family as this. So I only got 2 of these. Again, I think I might go back. These were $16.99. I think I might go back and get 4 of these side plates because I think they are super cute. But I was thinking more to use these again as like a trinket tray type thing. And I'll put like a Pinterest inspired type idea that I had. And I also got this mug. This mug, I love this like pink. And this was $13.99. And I think that, and I got some masking tape. You need some masking tape, trust me. Masking tape, any day is a good day for masking tape, to use some masking tape. I think that is all, guys, that I actually got. So as mentioned, so all these items I got at Pip Home. So literally like today's date is the 20th. 20th. Yeah, 20th of June. So you could go get these like in the next few days. You will find them at the Pip Home. Obviously, depending on which Pip Home you go to. But these are quite recent. So they had so many other nice things that I wanted to buy. But I was like, Chelete, fedile. Money is finished. Mali ayiko ipeli. So, and I came in there with a budget like, okay, cool, this is how much I want to spend. So let me rather stick to that. Because again, like we're on that like affordability, bargain hunting type steez. We're not trying to overspend in this whole project. But this is like, has to be like my superstar. Absolutely obsessed. So if you do go to Pip Home and you do find these items and you actually do buy any for yourself, please do comment below and let me know like what are some of the things that you bought and what are some of the cute little items that you actually also saw in addition to these. Maybe something that I didn't buy that you saw that you really, really loved. Or make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, at lokallifestylesa. I'll make sure to include it somewhere on the screen or in my description box below. So please do follow me on Instagram. Please do subscribe to this channel and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more videos of like all things DIY and home decor. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.